In this one, we'll be looking into how we can delete files from repository. So to do that, let's go to Visual Studio Code. And here you can see I've created a file called deletefile.txt. What I've done is I've added it by running this command get add dot to this staging environment and then committed it with this comment to be deleted. Now, on running this git status command, you can see that it's already in sync. Now, if I have to delete a file from a repository, Git allows me to do that in a couple of ways. The first one is git, and then you say remove, that is rm, and then the name of the file. So here I'll say delete file.txt and press enter. You can see it's removed from this directory and it's confirming that the file has been removed from the repository. You can do so by running this command again, git status. So here you can see changes to be committed, that is, this file has been deleted from the repository, and if you need to commit this, all you need to do is run this command git commit and then the message deleted finally. Press enter, and now if I run the git status command, you'll see everything is in sync and the files are there. The other way to remove a file from the repository is, let's say you have a file over here, you created it. Let's create one more, deleted file.txt, press enter. So here you have a file soon to be deleted, and the other way of deleting it is once it's in the repository. So you go over here and say git add dot and then git commit -m and then the comment. So you have committed this file now. Now you are going over here and you're selecting this file and you say delete. So you're manually deleting it from the project folder. Now if you run git status, you'll find that it says that this file has been deleted. So what you need to do is, first is you need to run this command git add /rm to update what will be committed. So I can go ahead and say git rm and then the name of the file which was deleted. So I'll say deleted file.txt, and this time when I'll do this, it is going to add this to the staging environment. And now I can go ahead and say git commit and then again the message and press enter. There you go. Now if I run the status, you can see everything is in sync. So that was another way of deleting a file from the repository.